They keep reminding us that this is credit, that we should, you know, be. She goes, but I got to get back to snorkeling. She's in the Cook Islands for the semester.
Beautiful.
I mean, seriously.
That's supposed to be beautiful.
And I know my aunt and uncle are going over there. When her semester's up to do a 2-week vacation. I said, I want to come. All right, help me look for it for you, okay? You remember what it looks like. Look at that picture.
You have to send this to Melissa and say, look at what happened after you left.
Yeah.
Why did that one sleep while she was
All of them
All of them
slept.
are all sleeping.
Just like this. As soon as they